Is it possible to leave the airport during a 3-hour layover?
Hello, travelers. Today, we're discussing a question that has crossed the minds of many airport dwellers. Can you leave the airport during a 3-hour layover? Short answer, yes, but with certain considerations.
Understanding layovers.
Layovers are often a part of travel, especially for longer flights. They refer to the period of waiting time between when you disembark from one flight and board your next one. Layovers can last from a few minutes to a few hours or even more.
Can I leave the airport during my layover?
Yes, you can technically leave the airport during your layover. However, there are important factors to consider. 1. Time. With a 3-hour layover, you need to account for the time it will take to go through security again when you return, travel to and from the airport, and potential delays. Typically, you need to be at your boarding gate at least 30 minutes before departure. After subtracting all this, you may have much less free time than you initially thought. 2. Visa requirements. Some countries require a visa for leaving the airport, even for a short period. So, always check the visa requirements of the country where you have your layover before making any plans. 3. Baggage. If you're on a connecting flight with the same airline, your checked luggage will most likely be transferred to your final destination, but do verify this with your airline. If you plan on leaving the airport, be prepared to carry your hand luggage with you.
What are the alternatives?
If leaving the airport isn't feasible, there are still ways to make the most of your layover. 1. Airport amenities. Many airports offer amenities like lounges, shopping areas, dining options, and even shower facilities or short-stay hotels. 2. Explore the airport. Airports can be fascinating places. Some airports have art installations, museum exhibits, or even gardens you can visit. 3. Rest. Long travel can be exhausting, and a layover can provide a valuable opportunity to relax and rest before your next flight. While it's possible to leave the airport during a 3-hour layover, it might not always be the most practical option. Remember to consider time constraints, visa requirements, and baggage situations before venturing out. If in doubt, there are always ways to make the most of your time inside the airport. Safe travels, and we hope this video has been helpful.